SQF Level 3 audited. That's the highest quality standard you can get for handling open food products. But it's just as important that those codes are very clear on the package, and we trust only Domino with that.
As a manufacturer, downtime is absolutely the worst thing that can actually happen in our business. So with Domino, that does not happen. So if anybody were to ask me about Domino, I'd let them know that how the reliability and the customer service is great. It works in all different environments, and how consistent and how durable this equipment is.
We've used other suppliers in times past, but no one has equaled the production that a Domino printer puts out and the service that the Domino technicians back it up with.